ICICI Prudential Energy Opportunities Fund NFO. Will investing in this fund help you get the returns you dream of? Will investing in this fund help you create a financially secure future like you want? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is ICICI Prudential Energy Opportunities Fund and some basic details about this NFO. So this NFO is open on 2nd July 2024 and is open until 16 July 2024, and it belongs to the category of thematic equity scheme of energy, and it is an open-ended fund type. It has Nifty Energy TRI as its benchmark, and the minimum amount you need to start investing in this fund is just 5,000 rupees. And the fund managers for this fund are Ms. Nitya Mishra and Mr. Sankaran Naran. Also, the exit load for this fund is just 1% if you redeem it within 3 months. And now we are going to look at the investment philosophy and the investment objective of this fund. The investment philosophy is it aims to invest in opportunities across energy theme, like across companies which are engaged in activities such as exploration, production, distribution, transportation, and processing of traditional and new energy, including but not limited to industries or sectors such as oil, gas, utilities, and power. And the investment objective of this fund is to provide investors like us with opportunities for long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related securities of energy and energy-related companies. So, who might this fund will be suitable for? This fund scheme will be suitable for aggressive investor who's willing to take a lot of risk, especially bullish on the energy theme. As we have understood the basic working of this NFO, let us now analyze whether this fund will be suitable to add to our investment portfolio or not by analyzing its pros and cons. First, we are going to take a look at the pros, which are the advantages of investing in the ICICI Prudential Energy Opportunities Fund NFO. So, this fund is diversified amongst the top performing companies in the energy theme. And also, if you are an investor who's seeking for allocation to the energy theme, investing in this might be a suitable fit for you. And also, in the market, if the energy theme performs and delivers well, it will definitely boost the returns in your overall investment portfolio, as this is an NFO which follows the high risk and high return concept. So the higher amount of risk you take, there is a higher potential for higher returns also. A high risk is involved in here. It might be suitable for an aggressive investor who's willing to take a lot of risk and also who are bullish on the energy theme particularly. So these are some of the advantages of investing in this fund which you might consider whether it will be suitable for you or not. So as we have taken a look at the advantages, now we are going to move to the cons of investing, which is the disadvantages. The disadvantages is also equally important to be understood because it reveals the potential risk you might be undertaking while investing in this NFO. So the cons of investing in this fund is it is riskier for a short-term investor. As I have already mentioned, it involves high risk and high return concept. Whenever you invest in a high risk fund, it's better if you stay for a long period of time, like at least 7 to 10 years. Why 7 to 10 years? Because in a long period of time, the market cycle would have got completed and will be a little bit more stable to give you the potential returns you need. But in a short term, the market is highly unpredictable and it can go through a period of highs and lows very unpredictable manner. So you might not be able to get the returns you desire because in a short term it is very risky. You might even lose your entire principal amount you invested. So if you want to invest to achieve your short term goals, it's better if you avoid investing in this fund because it's riskier to invest for a short term investor. And also, as this is an NFO and we're just going to see how it's going to perform from now on, we do not know how it will perform, right? So this fund is also not suitable for your core portfolio because without proper research about how it will perform, investing in this fund and adding it to your core portfolio will definitely impact the returns in your core investment portfolio. So this fund might not be suitable for that. And also, just because this theme is the energy theme is performing at peak in the market right now doesn't mean it will perform at peak all the time or how it will fare after some time. So we do not know for sure, because not all great themes translate into stock market returns. So there is an unpredictability factor in there, and if you invest in it, you may overexpose your investment portfolio to negative triggers. And also, this is not as flexible and dynamic when compared to other diversified funds, because even if it's diversified among top performing companies in the energy sector, it is not as much as diversified among other sectors as compared to only investing in energy. So it might not be flexible and dynamic compared to other diversified funds. And also, because of that, it can add more volatility to your portfolio because of its high concentration risk. And also, if the energy theme underperforms, it will definitely impact the returns in your overall investment portfolio. To invest in a thematic fund like this, you need to know the timing, how, when to enter and when to exit from this fund to gain potential returns. And also, the circle of competence should be on your side. So as we do not know how it will be, or we do not know how to predict it, it's better if we do not risk it by investing in it. So these are some of the disadvantages of investing in the ICICI Prudential Energy Opportunities Fund. So now let us see the final takeaway. Should we invest in it or not? Is it worth investing or not? Right. So from our analysis, we can see that this is not a fund a beginner like, or a first time investor, or someone, a conservative investor, someone who's not willing to take a lot of risk should invest in, because it's highly unpredictable and it involves a lot of risk. It's better if we avoid this fund. And also, if you do want to invest in a fund like this, where you can invest in other existing energy thematic funds which have a proper track record of at least 7 to 10 years, just to properly analyze how it has performed in the market's highs and lows to take calculated risk. So that's also something you can consider. And especially, this fund is not suitable to add to your core investment portfolio, because if you do not know when to enter and exit from the energy theme, it will definitely be a drawback for you. So it's better if you do not invest in it through your core investment portfolio. But if you still want to invest in ICICI Prudential Energy Opportunities Fund just to see how it will perform, you can invest it through, if you have surplus money or some spare money and you want to experiment, so you can invest it through a satellite portfolio and invest with a minimal amount just on a trial basis. You can invest on that regard, but investing in it just to achieve your main core financial goals and add this fund to your core investment portfolio is not a good idea. And if you do want to invest in this fund, or if you're still in doubt regarding whether to invest in it or not, you can definitely consult with a financial planner for the suitability of, well, of your investment objective and the investment objective of this fund, and the risk profile of this fund, and also what is the overlap ratio between your investment portfolio and the investment portfolio of this fund, just to see whether it's more or less. Because if it's more, it will definitely clash and it will not be suitable to add to your core investment portfolio. So it's better if you consult with a financial planner just to see what kind of allocation you can give to this fund and to other funds to achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So you can also consider that option. If you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.